Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. So for today, I'm going to do like an olive look. At least that's what I have in mind. I'm just gonna go ahead and start right away. I already primed my eyes with the MAC paint pot and laying low, and I also have my brows done as I always do. So the two palettes that I'm going to be using today are going to be the Nubian 2 by Juvia's Place and this Butter London palette, which is called Natural Goddess, and it looks like this. It has some pretty colors. It's super neutral, but does have like a pop of color. You guys have already seen this before on my channel a whole bunch of times. I think this is the Nubian 2. It looks like this, and it's really dirty. Excuse me for that. I should have definitely cleaned this prior to this video, but it is what it is. So I'm going to take just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to use the shade. I'm going to actually use this one right here. I'm just gonna put that on my crease. Basically use that as a blending brush, as a transition color, not a blending brush. So I'm just putting that on my crease. And why isn't this color showing up? Wow, that's so disrespectful. I want to talk to you. I don't want to talk to you. Why do people think they can text their way back into my life? No. I don't even know what type of color this is. This is like a cocky green. Okay, so I just blended this. Can you guys see? My eyes are so different. This one looks way more blended than this one. This just looks harsh and weird, if you ask me. And I don't know what's wrong with my wig. Is like not laying flat on this side. I know this is what annoy the shit out of me while I'm editing this video later, but bear with me, okay? I don't know, why isn't this blending? Like the color is blending, it's just I feel like this eye is way, I mean this eye is more blended than this eye. Or am I tripping? Am I tripping? I don't know. Okay, whatever, let's just move on. So for the next color, I'm taking another blending brush. This shit is so dirty, yo. Okay, so I'm going to take this brown shade right here, which is the darkest color that I have in this palette. I'm gonna put that on the outer V. And I never mentioned the brushes that I use, but this is the Sigma E40 blending brush. I don't even know if they still have this or if it's discontinued. I hope it's not, because I need to restock. Okay, so just place that color to deepen up your crease, and just blend. Don't blend it too much, like too far up. You want to keep it like in the crease area. You want to keep it right, can you guys see that? You want to keep it right here. You don't want to blend it up here, like, so just like this. But you have to use a specific brush. Take a blending brush that you know is gonna blend it out well without you moving too much, without you moving the eyeshadow too much. Like I can literally keep my brush at this same place and it will blend it out, like diffuse the eyeshadow pretty well without me moving the actual eyeshadow further up or moving the brush, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, do that. Honestly, a good eyeshadow, like, invest in your brushes. A good brush will get you a long way. A good brush will literally get you so far. I totally made one eye darker than the other. I see, but it's fine, it's fine. we gonna fix that. So I'm going back in with the first color that I took and the same blending brush. I'm just gonna blend this out. This look was not supposed to be this dark. Why does it look like I'm doing I don't know, a smoky eye, like a dark smoky eye? This was not my plan. I just finished off this eye off camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is called Egypt. This is the green shade in the palette. It's so creamy and like buttery, and it applies so beautifully. I'm gonna take that on a flat brush. I'm just gonna hold my mirror down here and when I look down, because you guys know I don't really have a super defined crease. I'm just gonna start. Oh, I don't even know how to start. God, can you guys see that? There is fallout with this color, just so you guys know. Okay, you guys see this color? Oh, so beautiful. So I'm just applying the color on my lid. I'm so concentrated. I'm dragging it pretty far out. Not too far, but you know. I literally hold my breath when I do this shit. I don't even know how to explain the texture of this eyeshadow, because it's like so creamy, so buttery, but then the finish is kind of like metallic because it's not shimmery. Does that make sense? I don't know, but it's super pretty. That's all I gotta say. I'm gonna go back in with the blending brush that I used with the darker brown shade, and I'm just going to soften up. Okay, so this color right here is called Star, which is the one we're gonna put on top. I'm taking another flat brush, not the same one, a different brush, and I'm going to put that in the inner portion of the eye, so like just halfway through, because I still want that darker green, like the first green that we put on, to peek through, you know? So you just place it so those two colors blend with each other. Yeah, so then you're just gonna go back in with the blending brush and just soften up the edges. Can you guys see all the fallout? You guys see that? Yeah, so just so you guys are aware that there is fallout. Okay, so then I'm going to do my famous little I don't know, smoky liner that I've been doing a lot lately actually. So I'm taking the black shade from whatever Anastasia palette that you have, whatever dark eyeshadow that you have. This is just the most pigmented that I have right now with me. So I'm taking a brush and I'm just gonna create a little wing situation, super close as possible to my lash line. So I'm just gonna blend that in to the outer V. Now one eye got way more black than the other. God damn it. I swear this always happens to me. Okay, if you guys see that one eye has more black than the other, just ignore that, okay? Because clearly I'm not able to fix that right now. Okay, so now you just clean this up to remove this situation that's going on right here. Put some lashes on. Like this eyelash is just itching so bad. Wow. For primer, I'm using this No Pore Blem Prime Essence. I guess the brand is Touching Sol. I'm just going to put some Then I'm taking my Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. I love this powder because it literally feels wow, it literally feels wet when you put it on, which I like that feeling. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I'm just gonna set the oily areas of my face, which is around my nose and my forehead. And around my mouth. So for foundation, I'm using my favorite at the moment. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define foundation. Unfortunately, it's not the perfect shade match for me as of right now. We will make it work. I should probably wet my beauty blender, but this is the e.l.f. Beauty Sponge. I don't know if it has an actual specific name, to be honest. I have no idea. I bought it at Target. And it is super, super soft. I actually really like it. Something I hate is putting on makeup with a wig, like with a frontal. I hate it. Like trying not to get makeup on it or trying not to get as much makeup on it is just, it's a whole full-time job. I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in medium beige to conceal. I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit and then I'm gonna blend it out. In the meantime, just gonna scratch my eye because this shit is... Should I cream contour? Maybe I should cream contour actually. Okay, so for contour, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer, and this is in the shade C17. And a little goes a long way with this, so I don't really need a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to blend out my concealer first. Okay, I know this nose contour looks a little bit harsh right now, but bear with me. It's gonna be looking good at the end. Okay. You see what I mean with a little goes a long way? Like, bitch, I put 3 dots. That's it. Okay, I'm so sorry. I know I skipped a few steps off camera, but my camera stopped recording. And I don't know when that happened. But what I did, I blended out my concealer. I set my concealer with the Laura Mercier powder. And then I set my contour with some powder contour from the Morphe Highlight and Contour palette. This is the 8H palette. And I used these 3 shades. I just mixed them. That's it. Set my contour. And then, yeah, that's what I did. So now I'm just going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes. That is so disrespectful, yo. I'm so sorry. Like, I have interruptions on top of interruptions. Lord, let me finish this video. Okay, so what I did, what did I do? Oh, I just put mascara on my bottom lashes, and then I just did my black dot underneath, like on my lash line, bottom lash line. I did it on one side, and I'm gonna do it on the other side, and I'm using the NYX liquid liner for that. They're so not in the same place, and one is so much bigger than the other, but it's fine. Okay, so for highlighter, I'm using this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to do my regular lip. I'm using Chestnut from MAC to outline my lips, and then I'm going to do I want to do like a more pinkish gloss. Not pink, it's gonna be nude, but like more of a pink nude, not so brown. I totally feel like I'm skipping some steps, like I'm missing something, and I don't like that feeling. So normally I would use Naturally Transformed, but today I'm actually going to use Velvet Teddy, which is more pink. So I changed my mind. I don't want to use Velvet Teddy. I mean, I didn't use Velvet Teddy. Instead, I went with the Gerard Cosmetics lip gloss in Shimmer of Hope, which is one of my favorite lip glosses of all time. Yeah, that's all I used. I realized I forgot to put on blush, and lately that's been a must for me. So I'm going to mix these two. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio in medium tan. I just like dab a little bit, and then you just put a little bit. I feel like I've been recording for years, okay? I'm exhausted at this point, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little chatty makeup tutorial. It wasn't really chatty at all. What am I talking about? You know what, whatever. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.